Do you really want to have good command on CSS animation? Do you really want to know how CSS animation works? So I think this video series is for you. Hey guys, this is Upgraded Geek, and in this video series we are going to cover CSS animation from scratch. I'm going to break this video in smaller parts and cover most of the syntax, although we will cover CSS animation in details in the upcoming video. But with the help of this series you will have a good understanding of how animation work, how keyframe work, how we are able to move object from one place to another. It is super easy to learn and is extremely powerful when you have a good grasp on it. In this series we will be covering some of the basic elements like keyframe, transform translate, animation duration, delay, iteration count, direction, fill mode, and many things. I hope you will enjoy this series. You can use this method in your web page and make your website more intuitive to the user, more user friendly, and it will give you good understanding of how CSS animation works. So without any further ado, let's jump to the first tutorial. See you there.